Hello guys, my name is Oluwasegun Onoyemi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe and follow the instruction. You can also share this video to help your friends. So I realized that a lot of people are using 1688 and it has been very difficult for them to download. Most people go to Play Store. Let me show you. You go to Play Store and you try to install 1688, and by the time you open it, it brings you out all this one. These ones are not the original 1688. These are not the original 1688 apps. They are not the original 1688. These are not the original 1688. So you need to be very careful. They are all fake that are here. When I first started, I went ahead to install this one, but it was definitely not it. So you can see that I already have the original 1688. This is what it's going to look like. So I'm going to uninstall it now so that you can see how the process is. Now, first thing you have to do is there is something that is important that you need to do. Now, there is an app called Cool App. Because the website is the app is from China. There is a website there is an app called coolapp.com. That is coolapk.com. That is where you can download that software. There is another means where you can do it. If you go to 1688.com, and when you go to 1688.com, this is the first way. There are two steps, so I'm showing you. So you see this link over here. You close this. You see this link over here that I just clicked. This one. It is going to directly to where you are going to download the link. But I have tried it, but it did not work on my own Android phone. If you press this link, it is supposed to download the app, but it didn't download. So what I now did was I went to that coolapp.com. So on going to that coolapp.com, if you try and search for Alibaba wireless and wireless, you can see it 1688. It will not still download. Are you getting me? So the best thing you are supposed to see is not even coming up. So what I just did was I went to that so what we are now going to do is you are going to download that Cool App itself. You understand? You are going to download that Cool App itself, the APK. You download it, but because I have already downloaded it, I'm not going to go through the process. Okay, you see, I've already downloaded it, so I'm not just going to go through the process again. But before you install, there is something you need to do. Before you install, there is something you need to do. You go to your Play Store, Google Play Store. Come to your Google Play Store, tap on your icon, and click on Play Protect. Now, if you can see that it is showing X mark, that is red mark. That means I have turned it off. If you come here, you will turn all these things off like this. This is how it's supposed to be. But I have turned it off because you click on turn off and it will turn it off so that it will not protect you from installing the app. So if you now go to download, back to your Chrome, and you install that Cool APK that you have already downloaded the app, so you allow it to install. After installing like a normal app that's supposed to, so you open it. Now on opening, it's going to be in Chinese. So you open it and you click this green. On clicking it, you click allow. Then you now come here, you search for where you see that search icon. You now search for 1688. On searching for 1688, search for 1688. On searching for 1688, it's going to load. So you might not get it by the name because of the name that you are seeing there. So you are going to see that first one. You can see it, 1688 is the original one. So all you just have to do is to click this green icon and you click yes. That last button is yes. So it will start downloading. You can see from my notification that I can see that it is downloading already. So you can start downloading, and you can also see here. So while it is downloading, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel. You're going to be getting more tips and more information on how to use some apps. I'm also going to be doing a free training on using these apps. So that's how you're going to go about it. So while it is downloading, you are now going to wait for it to download so that you can install. So there are also other tips that I will be dropping on Adobe Premiere Pro, how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can follow my page for more info very soon. If you want to do training on how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, intensive training, I can teach you on a one-on-one. It's almost free. You can contact me, comment in the comment section, and we'll go about that. So now, waiting for it to download. I think it's almost done. So it has downloaded, but because that cool APK, you can see that message coming from your phone that is blocking the app from installing. So you go to settings, allow this, then you go back, then you now click on install. So after that 1688 app will install and you'll be able to access it from your phone. That is the only way you can go about it from Android. From Play Store, from Apple, it is straightforward and direct, but from Android, that's the process in which you're going to go about it. It is very easy. I did it and it worked. So I'm waiting for it to install, finish installing, so I can open the app and we can all confirm that yes, it has installed. It's taking time, so but you allow it to load. So you can see app has been installed and I'm going to click open. So you click this one to accept and this second one to accept. You click on allow. Those are just the terms and conditions. You can see now that the app is logged in, is ready to use. 1688 app is ready to, it is valid. So thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you again.